All right, good afternoon, everyone. It is 8:35 a.m. Eastern Time. It is August 28th, 2025. And I didn't post yesterday, and the post, um, I'm in the middle of rebuilding my kitchen. I'm doing all the work myself, so really haven't had much time to trade. But I know Nvidia is having their earnings, or had their earnings. Where are we? We're here. I do have a in this setup, I have the book map, which is here. Quantower, the platform I'm on, the name of their bookmark is Dom Surface. I also have the volume profile here, right? That's on my second monitor. And then my dome, I added the volume profile back again here and cumulative delta. All right, all the rest are the same, the depth of market and the footprint. The footprint I have on the left side of the footprint is just total volume. On the right side is delta. All right. So my setups change depending on the environment. Um, as far as the footprint go, the bookmark, the setup colors I have on this one, I have a different one as well, is the most liquidity will be like this orange, then will come the yellow, and then white's the neutral, which is the middle. The blue and then the black are the lower liquidity. So if you see white, um, higher liquidity here, if we just open this up a little bit, you can see starting to turn red. You got 109 on the bid, and these typically, I'm going to flip back to the dome now. 103. Well, those numbers are here. 107 at 95, let's say 107 at 95.75. Let's see it changes. But these are the same numbers. All right, 21, 20. Yeah. So pretty much these are the numbers that are on the footprint, not the footprint, the the bookmark. There's too many things going on. Um, so hopefully I get a trade out. I do have plans to help a friend move their home. So I am the labor. Yeah, so got a lot of things going on in the Steve Trader 66 um, life, my life. So we are in the dome. The lighter portions of the dome are the heavier uh, volumes. Let's see what we got. Maybe we got a trade here. Got a nice step of the profile right here. Pretty decent. Step at 499.50. 499.50. May see some resistance at 501. Let's go to the, let's go here, 501, right in here. You see a little bit of high volume or limit orders, resting limit orders here. Well, let's see what we do at, so we did come here, we just dropped down pretty quick. At 550, 575. See if we, if they're going to be able to hold. All right, so we had a whole bunch of buyers coming in, so these guys are going to be probably trapped here. So where do we go in? 502. Let's go above 502. So I am going to short right here. At 501.50. Let's see what happens here. We almost got filled there. Had a whole big bunch of sellers coming. Back to the dome. See if these numbers come up a little bit. 131, a bunch of buyers here. At 64, this is starting to pull a little better now. A lot of that negative delta still down here. It's looking good. These numbers aren't increasing too bad. Start seeing a couple of sellers come in. It's starting to come in now. 418, 416, 434. We got a lot more sell volume. Am I recording? I think I am. So far, I think we're looking pretty good here. Got some negative delta being brought in here. I'm going to switch to the book map. Even 501.75 looks like a decent entry as well. Or entry into the short. We're just consolidating up in here. I don't get too nuts looking at all this. My entry is going to be here. All right, we're getting a little lower now. We need a break below 75. So I think my entry is in a good spot right here. If we're just looking at the DOM surface, it's looking pretty good. All right, we're in. So now we have to manage. So 501.50 was a significant area. So my expectation is to see this occur fairly quickly. We don't have a lot of buying coming in here, and the selling is still single numbers. 22, 25, 20. All right, so this is starting to work out. Let's see if we can maintain, maybe go down to about 550, 550, maybe even below. We'll see. We are at a downward trajectory here. So we'll just go ahead and manage it. We're still looking pretty good here. Should we get down to about 1250? At 500.25. This is a 1-to-2 ratio. All right, so we just got that pop. Just having a hard time getting below 75. So far we have a big buy here, so we're overcoming these this big delta. All right, I'll take it. That's 3 points, 3.5 points, 2.5 points. Yeah, that's what it is. So assumption was right there. They're starting to pick it up a little bit. So I sold at 501.50 here, and then we were able to get down at 500.25 right here. So if we actually take a look at the let's go to the trades. So that was the trade right here. Right here was the trade. It doesn't have the trades here. Let me go ahead and put the trades here. There you go. And that's all it was. You just wait for your trade. Take it. Right here. I started it here. Came back down. And that's it. All right, that's it for the day. A very short video. Just getting in, getting out. I got a lot of work to do today, so I probably won't be, unfortunately, back on the platform. But I didn't forget about you guys. I will. I'm still actively trading. Just that I got a few things I got to do here, and I enjoy in my retirement not only trading but also home repair, renovations, doing the whole kitchen, ripped the whole thing out, plumbing, electrical, all that. Putting the cabinets in. I got it all delivered, new flooring. Yeah, so it's all good. All right, stay active. See you on the next one.